Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we discuss a Grade 5 titanium 88-piece limited edition launched in 2023 from Greubel Forsey. It is the Balancier Convexe. 100 meters water resistant. This is a true sports watch with differentially coupled angled balance wheels. So part of the Convexe series, it's a sports watch. I should be clear, 88 pieces is a lot for Greubel Forsey, which these days is aiming to do no more than about 150 pieces a year. So that would have been more than half their annual production. This set was built out over a series of model years. Now, the watch is unconventional in the way it's sized and the way it's fit, so I'm not actually going to take any of the factory measurements. For once, I'm just going to use only my own measurements here. I usually take diameter at face value and then measure thickness, lug to lug, and the rest. But let me tell you how I measured this watch. From side to side, not including the crown, I got 44.5 millimeters. From lug to lug, basically bezel to bezel, if you will, I got 44.5 millimeters. And then finally, in terms of thickness, I got 14.7. So this watch wears almost exactly round or square, depending on how you want to look at it. On my wrist, it's very light. My wrist is 16 centimeters circumference. It wears super short across the wrist. So even if your wrist is only about 14 centimeters circumference, mine's 16 again, you can wear this just fine. Strap's a lovely piece. A combination of textile and then a synthetic suede like Alcantara on the bottom. Greubel Forsey has been eliminating animal products in its strap portfolio, and so this is designed to be more resistant to moisture, heat, wrist oils, grit, easier to clean, longer lasting, and of course you get feel-good factor with the lack of any animal sacrifice. This model was originally announced in 2022, so if it looks familiar and you're saying, what, that wasn't 2023, Tim, it was announced in 2022. The build-out started in 2023. Taking a look at the buckle here, it is like the watch grade 5 titanium. And you can see here, actually, if you look at the bottom, that it is a fairly stock piece. This is one of the few pieces of the watch that doesn't feel bespoke. You can see you've got the twin trigger release here. You've got a little bit of text built into the triggers themselves. And then you have a profile with satin and media blast. But this is a part that Greubel Forsey purchased from a more specialized supplier. Almost everything else they make. I just thought I'd highlight that one particularly salient purchased component. And it's actually a good one because twin triggers and positive release is what you want with a sports watch. You don't want a friction fit system there. Now, rolling around the case, everything here is bespoke. You can see that the profile with the screw fixed lugs, the satin, the polish, the remarkable curvaceous contour of the bezel and the crystal, not easy to do. We have media blast, polish, and satination, as well as a remarkably layered aesthetic with case flank recesses. Again, 100 meters water resistant. We'll use a quick loom shot right there to take a closer look, and the watch features two balances, two coaxial barrels, and the double balance. You can see we have two balance wheels oscillating at 3 hertz. They are angled at 30 degrees. Each one features an overcoil profile hairspring, so it's pretty much positionally agnostic, but because they are opposite angled, and if you look, the orientation of the hairspring stud holder is exactly opposite. So the idea is that through this 4-minute differential at center, it's a little bit like the Philippe Dufour duality, but much more advanced given the angling, the opposite orientation of the hairsprings, the differential coupling. They average out their errors, and because they're opposite in orientation right down to the hairsprings, you get a very even and isochronous record of performance no matter what physical position the watch is in on your wrist. It's a better solution to the problem of gravitationally induced timing deviation than a tourbillon for a wristwatch application. So this is a 4-minute differential here. That's the running seconds hand, and then we've got hours, minutes, and we've got our two barrels up here. We'll see those in a moment. Power reserve indicator. 72 hours. When you wind the watch, the barrels do visibly rotate on the dial side, and the bridges and plates of the movement are made of titanium. Greubel Forsey also shouts out a titanium escapement to further reduce mass in the system. Decoration is world-class. You can see satination, polish, mirrored anglage, interior angles on the knuckles of the bridges, where you can see that the arms join the center. You can see those interior angles there, as well as the mirrored superstructure in the bridge holding the motion works at center and the bridge for for the differential completely polished set, nated on its pillars on the side and then beveled. You can also see golden chaton cups for some of the pivots, a nod to the era of pocket watchmaking at Greubel Forsey's hometown of La Chaux-de-Fonds, historically. And then you can see a little bit more detail of the differential through the back. There is a lot to love with this watch. It is simply packed with features and the legendary level of decoration for which Greubel Forsey is justly known. The movement is huge and properly fills this case in a hand-in-glove fashion. Greubel first showed the double balance system in 2007 on a prototype. It reached production in 2016, and now it joins the ranks of their sports watches in this titanium case. Reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.